So guys, today is VR Monday. So we are playing with the Quest, and recently I was contacted by the developers of Premium Bowling. This is a game that is not fully released yet, but they have kindly given me a code to try the game out. So I thought, what better way to try the game out together? Now, what is the one thing you do when you go bowling? You take your friends. So I have a friend here that is going to do bowling with me.
Where the hell am I?
Welcome to my dungeon. Today, we are going to be playing Premium Bowling, but I decided to give it a twist. This room is small as hell, as we all know. So we went outside. Now, I know a lot of you get triggered if I go outside and take the Quest because the sun. Don't worry, guys. My Quest has lens caps, which means I am prepared to take it anywhere, and the sun isn't a problem to my lenses. I care for my Quest, so you guys don't need to be triggered about me taking it outside. Now, we did, however, have to get into the garden before the sun did, but that wasn't exactly too hard. We just woke up earlier. And we went into my garden because that is where there is the most room. So without further ado, let's go check out Premium Bowling. We managed to get into the garden before the sun did, so we're going to create a 5 gigahertz network, and we're going to try play here. Oh hell yeah, we are going to have so much space. I'm kind of afraid of this. It's slightly concerning. There's a bug on one of my cameras. Can't tell which one it is. Hell yeah. Oh bro, I get to choose my character. Look at this. Huh? Do we want bumpers? Nah, we're not pussies. Oh bro, this is gonna be a strike, bro.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
See?
That was a strike, bro.
They are.
They're saying the game is hard. It's not. I'm just bad. No. Oh.
What's wrong with you?
I wonder what my neighbors think. This is gonna be it, bro.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look at this. Oh, well, it wasn't, but it was close. I must tell you, that is pretty, like, realistic.
Yeah.
I think these balls are in my bush. Oh, spider! Give me my ball. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, no. Oh. You would not do any better.
Really?
Yeah.
I would like to take that as a challenge.
Watch this. Okay, let's get this. Let's get this going. Look at my points. You can see my points, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, quality. Oh. Yeah, see that? See that? That's some quality shots. Bro, I'm gonna do a running shot this time. Oh.
Okay.
It's nicer to practice with the bumper. They're bullying me. Oh, so close. Bro, the calming music in the background is...
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. You can like half hear it, can't you?
Yes.
Oh.
No, you suck.
Bro, for a game that isn't fully released yet, now I know they're very close to releasing it. I think it's like 3 days. This is so nice and like so well polished.
It does look very cool.
This is like so good. I'm gonna play this with my family. If I can get the center one now, I might get like a full one. I don't think I've gotten any full one yet.
No. You mean a strike?
Okay. God damn it. Oh! 61. My points are 61.
You remember it.
New player.
Ed.
Too short.
What do you mean? Damn it.
Oh, hell yeah, here you go.
Oh, yes.
Character selection.
Yeah. Here you go.
Now you're in business.
Let me see what the next character is. Nah.
Go on, bro. Go on.
Oh, yes, this guy. Let's go.
I'm interested to see if you do any better.
Can I take 2? Oh, that's so sad.
Bro, who the hell shoots with 2? Oh.
Well, what do you have to
You're
say
not
about
gonna get the last 3, no way. You know what I like? I like the fact that it shows you how much you have left there on the left. Well, that could be a curveball. No, get us a strike and get the team a strike. Let's just say that was close to a strike. Oh,
yes.
Oh.
What? It's the same.
Wow, what the hell? Look, you got number 8. How the hell did you do that?
Hey.
Oh, you know what?
Oh, pretty good.
Oh no, but you can't get this one. Look at the like layout of it.
Christ.
I mean, unless you get 1 and it like shoots 9. Oh, very, very close.
If I got in the middle, then I would have been like...
Yeah.
Wait, what if I just throw it?
No, bro, you can't do that. That is
watch
cheating.
this. Watch
That
this.
is
Watch
cheating.
this.
1, 3, and
Okay, I'm never doing that again.
That is cheating, bro, and you actually had a chance to get them all there. Oh, that's going to be such a pain.
That's fine. Where the hell
Where did it go? Oh?
Yeah, look at that. You see what Senpai can do for you? Hey, don't touch my legs. Hey.
She's just down there like, what are you doing, stupid human?
I'm doing whatever
Bro,
I'm doing.
No, you're not doing that, bro. You're throwing them. See? There you go. That's a roll. See that?
See that? You see what Senpai can do?
Yeah, I see what Senpai can do when he listens. Oh, you might get this.
67.
Oh, you
wanna do it again?
Yeah, hell yeah. Dude, I'm having fun. The music in Paradise Island is my jam.
Yes. Paradise Island kind of sucks, you're not gonna lie.
That was some crap right there. That was...
Good job.
It's the song. It's the song. Wait, what does this button do? Oh.
Oh shit. Go back.
Oh, it's a replay. Oh, bro, you could replay.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, hell yeah. Come to daddy.
Number.
Yeah, there you go. That was beautiful. Dude, I'm gonna do a run-up because last time this worked real well. There you go. I want to get at least one, like, strike, bro. Like, it hasn't happened yet. Oh. Oh, come on! How is that even possible? Like, how am I gonna do that? Dude, I love the way you can grab the balls from far away and don't need to go get them. That is such a good mechanic. Oh, that's a curveball. Oh!
Yeah, I don't believe in you, bro.
That is rude, bro. That is rude. That was your fault. If you had believed in me, it would have happened. Okay, I'm gonna get a strike on this one.
Okay.
Yes! I told you! Oh, hell yeah, replay.
Here's a serious example.
Can you get higher than 96? Stop looking at her,
Sorry.
bro. Stop it.
Sorry.
Come on, do a cleanup, do a cleanup. I believe in you.
To all the girls who didn't want to F me, what do you have to say about this? Yes! It's so beautiful.
You showed him, bro. You showed him.
Oh, this music.
Dude, that's banging, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Guys, this is the setup right now. We have Eddie playing over there. We have this over there. We have the camera right over there. Very nice setup. I'm just chilling. And Eddie is gaming. Go on. Oh, bro, is that I think that one might not be possible. Show me. Oh, dude, that's really hard, bro. That is pretty damn hard.
This is to prove to all the women who don't want to frick me.
Dude, if you do this, they have to frick you.
They still have to frick me. Yes. Okay, that's fine. I can manage that. I think.
You can?
I don't know.
Go, fixing it now.
Fix it. No, so close. Did you see how close
I
that was?
didn't.
Look. Maybe I'll.
Oh, right over there.
Oh. Yes, a strike.
Full weather. What?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Look at that. Look
I'm
at that.
watching. Oh.
Yes.
That was some hot right there. Oh, I thought that might be a curveball there for a sec. Dude, he's just bullying you.
He is.
He's straight up bullying. Ooh.
Give me the ball.
Come on. Oh yeah, that was a thing. How many points are you at? 56. Oh, you might actually beat me. Oh, is that another? Oh. Is it not? Oh. Haha, 1.
1. Ooh,
Oh. Ooh.
Wow.
Wait, you're at 67. Ooh, you might beat me. 73 now. Okay. Oh, this is going up.
Oh, that was
like very close. I don't know how that even like missed. 77. Oh, I'm gonna win this one.
80.
Okay. No, wait. There's one more. This is your chance. If you get a strike now, you win. Pressure is on.
It is. Why did it disappear? Whoa.
It was like, oh, you're too long. Oh.
No way. Oh.
Wait, you might still actually have beaten me on that one.
No, I don't think so.
I hope this roll will be better.
I hope so too.
That is such a weird layout. Wait, how many points do you end at? 80...
85.
Ah.
So close. It's your turn. Here.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh my god. Here you go.
So guys, that was absolutely great. We are going to actually continue playing this. It's currently 10:06. We're probably just going to play until the quest dies, so peace for now. Okay, you guys, so we're back in the house now. And I personally think that was an incredible amount of fun. What do you think?
I really enjoyed it when I got a double strike.
Of course you did. Of course you did. Show off. That was an insane amount of fun, and it was actually so much fun that we continued playing for an hour after...
Very smooth.
Yes, very smooth. And we continued playing for an hour after we finished recording. And it's great because the developers have actually implemented a way to add more players to the game and switch while you are playing. Now, the way we did it is everybody just did their round and then switched. But if you did want to switch every 5 goes, every 10 goes, every 15 goes, that option is there for you. Now, there's also an online mode that I haven't tried out yet, but I do have a Rift S, so chances are I might be trying that out very soon in full-blown multiplayer. Then again, I would have to play it inside this room, and that probably isn't an option. So giving my overall verdict of the game, I think it was very fun. I think the music choices were just fantastic. I think it was very smooth. The bowling was pretty damn realistic, considering I'm not very good at the game, and I wasn't very good at the game here, which probably means it's realistic. It was a lot of fun. Overall, I had a great time, and I would say buy it. If you like bowling, and if you want to have fun with your family or friends, definitely buy this. This is a great party game. What do you think?
Can I go home now? I like that you could choose different alleys.
Oh yeah, that's actually, yeah, Paradise Island.
Paradise Island.
That was great fun.
John, if you're watching this, we didn't go for luxury aisle just for you, man. We love you.
Yes, that is actually a good point. There is different alleys that you can choose. I totally forgot that. There is a few different alleys that you can choose from and change your background. It also changes your music and your scenery, which is absolutely great in case you want to change the scenery a little bit.
I like the game because it's fun and simple.
The fact that we went on and we played it for an extra hour speaks for itself. So guys, that is going to be it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a like. If you disliked it, I guess this button works as well, but make sure to tell me why in the comments section below. I don't have the stats for you guys at the beginning of the video, but you are absolutely incredible. We are at 7,989 subscribers. The channel is growing so fast, and I really don't know how to thank you guys. The number of people subscribed watching these videos is now all the way up to 14%. So if you guys are part of that 86% of people that aren't yet subscribed, I welcome you to join the community. We are constantly growing. We're trying to get to 10k, and I absolutely love new people joining. Join us on Discord, where we chat about literally anything, and we have a constantly growing community there, and everybody is really nice. Also, on the Discord, you can suggest videos for me that you think I could record. I upload tech videos daily and VR videos on Mondays and Fridays. So if you guys have any cool ideas about tech I could record or VR videos I could record, they're all very welcome. If you guys want me to review your spicy memes, join us on Reddit, where there's a constantly growing community of memers, and I absolutely love looking at them and have a great laugh. Tomorrow, there is going to be another VR video, however, because I am expecting a package and I don't know what's inside. So tomorrow, we are having a special VR video, and I'm not sure whether there will be 2 videos or just 1 VR video. Either way, you're getting a VR video tomorrow. So I'm super excited to see what happens tomorrow, and if you want to see that, make sure to join us. If you want to be notified of future content, which is, as I said, coming daily, make sure to smash that subscribe button with your forehead. It costs you nothing and it helps me out a lot. Ding my bell, become part of the 360p gang, and see you again in the next one. Peace.